On August 30th, the Narimanov District Court held a hearing on the lawsuit filed by the arrested chief editor of Ural newspaper Avaz Zeynalli against the press council. Judge Mezahir Sadigov presided over the hearing. The proceeding began with the judge advising the parties to reconcile. Both Zeynalli and the defendant said they are not against it. Still, the defendant's representative, Shamsaddin Aliyev, said they do not accept the lawsuit and deem it unfounded. In his turn, Zeynalli insisted on defending his case. As a next step, the plaintiff's petitions were presented to the court. In his petition, Zeynalli requested that board members of the press council should be summoned and questioned in connection with the case and the articles that were the reason why the press council had labeled Ural as a racketeer newspaper should undergo expert examination. After a prompt deliberation, the judge said the plaintiff himself is owed to invite the defendant's board members to the process. Then the judge adjourned the proceeding until September 2nd, saying that the second petition would be considered at the next hearing. In 2011, the Press Council issued a decision to include the Ural newspaper in the blacklist. Coming 1 month before the editor's arrest, the decision was deemed politically motivated and Zeynalli filed a lawsuit with the court against the Press Council, requesting revocation of the PC decision and compensation for the damage caused to his business reputation. The lawsuit was left unconsidered by the decision of Judge Mezahir Sadigov of the Narimanov District Court. The decision was upheld by the Court of Appeal. The case was then sent back for reconsideration by the Supreme Court. Avaz Zeynalli was arrested on October 28, 2011 following a lawsuit brought by former MP Gülar Ahmadova. The Anti-Corruption Office launched a criminal case against Zeynalli under Article 211.3.3 and Article 211.3.4 of the Criminal Code. Zeynalli was later charged under Article 206 and Article 213.1. On March 12, 2013, the Baku Grave Crimes Court convicted and sentenced the journalist to 9 years in prison.